Ciao a tutti! Hello everyone! Welcome to Fly High, where you're gonna be flying high in language learning with me, Francesca. In this lesson, we're gonna be looking at the negative form. We're gonna be seeing how we form it, and then we're gonna be looking at the negative questions. So without further ado, let's get started. So forma negativa, forma means form, negativa means negative. So how we say we are not doing something in Italian. Let's have a look then. How do we construct it? We say non, and then it's followed by the verb. Okay, so non più il verbo, non plus the verb. Let's have a look at an example here. Vado a scuola. Vado a scuola means I go to school. The negative form would become non vado a scuola. I don't go to school. So you see non, and then we have the verb. I don't go to school. Non vado a scuola. Second example. James è stanco. James is tired. What would the negative form be? James non è stanco. James is not tired. So you see again, non and the verb immediately follows it. So it's pretty simple, really. So non and the verb. And then we have the third example. Cuciniamo oggi. Cuciniamo oggi means we are cooking today. The negative form, which would be we're not cooking today, is non cuciniamo oggi. Non cuciniamo oggi. Again, simple non, and then the verb. Now, let's do this exercise. These sentences from 1 to 6, they're all in the positive form, as you can see. We'll be transforming them into the negative form. So if you guys want to grab a pen and paper and do this exercise, so each sentence, based on what I explained about how we form the negative, you'll have to transform it in a negative form. Let's start with the first one. Domani vado al mare. Domani vado al mare. I am going to the sea tomorrow. So you'll have to translate it as I'm not going to the sea tomorrow. Let's try, and obviously I have all the solutions in the next slide, so have a try and see how it goes. Domani vado al mare. You'll have to say, I'm not going to the sea tomorrow. I'll give you a few seconds, by the way, so that you can write it down. Second sentence. Maria è felice. Maria è felice. Maria is happy. So again, transforming into the negative. Third sentence. Siamo stanchi oggi. We are tired today. So how do we do the negative here? We are not tired today. So I repeat the second just in case. So non, and it's followed by the verb. That's how we form the negatives in Italian. Number 4. Faccio colazione. Faccio colazione. I have breakfast. Negative, I don't have breakfast. Go ahead. Number 5. Anna e Matteo sono sposati. Anna e Matteo sono sposati. Anna and Matteo are married. How do we do the negative here? Curious to see how many you got right. Let me know as well once we transform them and we see the solutions. how many you got right. I'm really curious, hoping all of them. Number 6. Tom ha molti soldi. Tom has a lot of money. Tom ha molti soldi. So the negative, Tom doesn't have a lot of money. Doesn't have any money. Doesn't have a lot of money. Now, you ready for the solutions? Here they are. Domani non vado al mare. I am not going to the sea tomorrow. Domani non vado al mare. Maria non è felice. Maria is not happy. Maria non è felice. Third, non siamo stanchi oggi. We are not tired today. Non siamo stanchi oggi. Number 4, non faccio colazione. I don't have breakfast. Non faccio colazione. 5. Anna e Matteo non sono sposati. Anna e Matteo non sono sposati. Anna e Matteo are not married. And number 6. Tom non ha molti soldi. Tom doesn't have a lot of money. As you can tell here, the non corresponds to the not in English, but Italian doesn't have a construct with the do, really, in the conjugation. It's simply non and the verb. And we'll have a look at the negative questions now. So negative questions are questions that we ask using the negative. For instance, non abiti qui. Don't you live here? Do you not live here? Non abiti qui. Again, simply non and the verb. Non and the verb. Just like in the statements. The answer would be no, non abito qui. No, I don't live here. We got no, and then it's followed by comma, and then we got non and the verb. And then in the second question goes, non avete fame? Aren't you hungry? Remember that to be hungry in Italian is avere fame, to have hunger. So you'll have to use the verb to have, not the verb to be. Non avete fame? Aren't you hungry? And the answer goes, no, non abbiamo fame. No, non abbiamo fame. No, we are not hungry. This concludes a lesson. I really hope it was useful. If you did find it useful, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and let me know how many answers you got right in the exercise. And if you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks again so much for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.